Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing VCS empties, mid-year empties, and as you guys know, I didn't really melt a lot through the last part of the year, so it's a little bit smaller than, I mean, it's okay. It's probably less than what I wanted to get through. This should be like, I don't know, I feel like, whatever. I just felt like there should be more. But whatever, my last video, I was kind of saying I was kind of not feeling wax anymore, blah, 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 but I'm kind of getting back into it. Or maybe I did say that. I feel like I've been looking at Instagram accounts and kind of like getting those feelings back. But however, I don't get the feeling back that I need to haul anything. So just more or less that I need to start getting through some of the outrageous amounts of wax that I have. So I still am going to do some destashing just a little bit, just to kind of help me feel like it's more manageable what I have. And yeah, whatever. Okay, so in the last video I said a few of us had started an organizing group. If you guys are interested in that, I was going to put the link in the last video and I forgot. It's called My So-Called Organizing Life. And I'll try to remember to put the link down there. I'm never logged into Facebook, so I can't go grab the link really quick, but I think it's pretty easy to find. I think there's a lady that has a company name of that, because I checked, I went and looked, I typed in My So-Called Organizing Life, and there's a lady that does, like, it's at her actual job, like that's her business name, I think. I didn't really look at it, I don't know. But we just started a group. It's probably been around for like 2 years, but we're trying to make it a little bit more active, I guess, with the like KonMari or KonMari method coming around a lot now. So, all right, that's that. I think that was all that I wanted to say. Thank you guys for the sweet comments on the last video. You guys are really sweet. You guys are so sweet. And then, so VCS. Okay, let's just get into VCS here. So VCS, I feel like this year, and I feel like next year is going to be the year of VCS. I feel like the whole VCS team is constantly like thinking up new ideas. I know this year VCS did like, they would have a restock and then they would restock the site with like almost everything that was on the first go around. And I thought that was amazing. I was like, oh my God, you know, that's really cool that Kirby and her team did that. And so, yeah, I feel like I did a lot of VCS hauling this year. I feel like I did a lot of Super Tarts maybe at the beginning of the year, because I know for a while I was getting Super Tarts every single week. Like every Friday I would buy from her restock, and then I stopped doing that. I haven't bought from any restock for a while, and then I moved over to VCS a little bit because I was really getting into her scents. So yeah, that is that. So let's go ahead and jump into VCS. So again, I didn't finish as much as I wanted to, but whatever. All right, so bags that I finished. I love her Bombshell Blossom bags. These are probably one of my favorite items from her. This is Saturday Evening Post, Elm Street, and Vanilla Smoothie. This was one of my absolute favorites. She did something similar to this past year, but I think she did Vanilla Smoothie, Elm Street, and maybe Dracula, which is still just as good. I just think Vanilla Smoothie mixed with like autumn type scents or fall type scents is just a great combo. So I finished that. I was sad. I remember I was hanging on dearly for like the last coin of that before I used it. And I remember I grabbed 2 of those that she did for this year. They were a different scent, like I said, Dracula, Elm Street, and Vanilla Smoothie. Oh, What a Beautiful Morning. I really like this blend a lot. This is buttermilk pancakes, maple syrup, and sugar cookie dough. This is just it's a great blender as well, but I really like it on its own. It'd probably be really good with coffee, mixed with coffee. Yeah, now I have had some buttermilk pancakes from other vendors and they just don't stack up to that one, so I really like that one a lot. Oh yeah, okay. I think I do remember this. Okay, Cookie Monster and Lori and Joe. This is warm popovers, blueberry jam, and then the regular Cookie Monster, which is like, is it sugar cookie dough, sugar milk? I don't know, I'm going off the top of my head. And then something else, I feel like. This one I think I really liked. I think I'm always afraid of blueberry scents. I don't know why, but I think the warm popover scent was a nice addition to this one. So I think I did like it. The only thing so far that would be a repurchase though for me, well, I'd probably get Oh What a Beautiful Morning if it was in a blend or maybe even by itself, but this one for sure, which I already did, so I don't feel like I need to repurchase that anytime soon. Okay, and then I think these were like part of like a set, like maybe a mint sampler. So I had Rosemary's Baby, Lavender Mint. I'm trying to remember, I don't think I liked this one. I can't really, you know, honestly, I really don't remember this one just because I feel like it's been so long ago, but yeah. That's not very helpful, I realize, but in the group, I do know a lot of people like Rosemary's Baby, so you might want to check it out if you like lavender or mint. Chicago Murder Castle. I do remember liking this one. It was Mac Apple, Fresh Leaves, and Cider Lane. Now, it's funny that I did like this one because some of those scent notes I'm not really in love, like super in love with. Like Mac Apple, I used to love Mac Apple, anything. And then now I'm just kind of like, eh. And then Cider Lane is the same. I'm kind of just like over it. But in this mix, for some reason, it was really good. I enjoyed that one. I do remember that. Next one I have is Bride of Frankenstein. This is another one that totally surprised me. I did not think I would like this one, and I actually did. I don't love, let's see. Yeah, again, I think it's apple. I feel like it was green apple. Blueberry Wedding Cake. I actually really liked this one. Let me see if I can smell it. Kind of refresh my memory. Yeah, there was something in here. It was like the apple nor the blueberry was very dominant. It was more of like a sweet cake type scent. Here I got this out of a D-stash. This is Trick or Treat, and I think this is like an open house exclusive type thing. This is Cider Pumpkin Baked Goodies Blend, and I didn't think I would like this one. And in fact, when I got it in the D-stash, I was just kind of like, oh, what did I do? And then I ended up actually liking it. Not enough to justify another purchase. Like, I kind of know in my head like what my favorites are. Like, I love Deep Slumber. Purple Haze is one of my favorites. What's the other one that I really like? Violet, Dancing with Grandma Violet. Those are some of my favorites off the top of my head. Just Singing in the Rain, which is Freshwater, Falling Rain, and Shimmering Blue Lagoons. Did I like this one or not? I should, because I do like Fresh. But I just can't remember it right now. I think I did like this one. I don't remember hating it, I can tell you that. So if you like fresh scents, I would try that one. Superstition. This is Sweet Cinnamon Glazed Apple Fritter Funnel Cake. Honestly, this one I don't remember. I feel like, though, I don't like funnel cake, so this one probably wasn't, like, the best for me, but... Aunt Nellie's Autumn Supreme. So, there's that. This is Green Apple, Mac Apple, Creamy Pumpkin, Zucchini Bread. I don't think I loved this one. I think I got it in a D-stash, and I was just trying to work through it. Enchanting Prince. This is one I really did like. This is along the same lines as Data from Super Tarts. It's kind of got, I think, lavender blueberry type thing. This is Lavender Blueberry Smoothie. I love this one. Lavender and blueberry are kind of iffy for me, but mixed together, for some reason, it was just a really pretty scent. It's not it's not heavy on the lavender or the blueberry. They just mix into this really nice scent combination. And then I think the smoothie just kind of like creams it out a little bit. This is from my friend Candy. Thank you so much, Candy. I love you. To Catch a Thief, I Believe in Pink. This is Peppermint Noel Cotton Candy, Pink Sugar Peppermint. A lot of people love both of these scents. I think I did this in the bathroom, and I think I enjoyed this one as well. Even though I don't love pink sugar, I think the peppermint probably was like a nice, probably kind of killed off the pink sugar a little bit. $1 Million Mermaid. Now, I used to love this scent, or I used to think that, you know, this was a great fresh scent. But honestly, I don't know. It's Fresh Ocean, water, sea berries, bergamot, white musk. My handwriting sucks. This is a rose. This is probably part of the Fresh and Clean sampler. Yeah, it's just a fresh and clean scent, but I mean, there's nothing, like I feel like you can get this from, you know, a few other vendors. I don't feel like it's anything special or unique. This next one I had is Sabrina Fairchild. If I remember, this one was probably about a medium throw. This is warm vanilla sugar. I wanted to just try warm vanilla sugar on its own, and that's what I did. You know what would be really good? I think she has, doesn't she have like a fig scent? I think warm vanilla sugar and fig would be really, really good. I feel like I've had that somewhere before. Where did I have it? I don't know. Johnny and June. Oh, I hated this one. I can tell you that right now. This was jelly donuts, sweet funnel cake, and powdered sugar. It sounds good, right? This had the funkiest undertone. I can't smell it like I used to. This one had the most funky undertone I've ever smelled. Just like one of those, sometimes jelly donuts to me, and sometimes funnel cakes too, can have just a really weird off note. So yeah, that was definitely not a repurchase. Aunt Kathy's Ultimate Coffee. I do have some more of this. Love, love, love this scent. If you like coffees, I would give this one a try. This is Cinnamon Dolce Hazelnut Cream Espresso. Really, really nice. Day Tripper. I compare this one similar to Purple Haze, although it is different. It has, I'm trying to figure out what's the difference. I think it has like a Jackie O blend mixed in. It's like Purple Haze mixed with Jackie O, maybe? I have to look at the Purple Haze description. This is marshmallow, jelly-filled zucchini bread donut, marshmallow birthday cake, vanilla bean Noel. So it's Jackie O's in there, I think. Isn't that her marshmallow birthday cake, vanilla bean Noel? Isn't that Jackie O? Okay, I can't smell in the bag. These must be really, I must have warmed these like at the beginning of the year. So yeah, this one I do like. Not as much as Purple Haze. I like Purple Haze better, but Day Tripper's pretty good. Grandma's Pearls. I know a lot of people like this one too. This is lavender, marshmallow, vanilla, and yeah, this one doesn't really smell like anything either. Lavender, did I like this one? I don't remember. I know this is not very helpful. I think I even said last year that I was going to try harder to take better notes. But then you guys know, like, September hit, and then I just, like, I don't know, I flew off into space and never came back. So Black Cat, I actually really did like this one. This is, here we go, the Black Cat. This is Black Cat Cider Lane, or Black Cat, Cider Lane and Whipped Cream. I actually did like this one. Not a lover of Cider Lane, but Cider Lane and Whipped Cream, really, really good together. I really actually enjoyed this one, even though I was getting sick of the Cider Lane. So there's that. So here's pretty much what I got through. There's not a lot in here that I would feel the need to repurchase. I do have my favorites. At some point I might do like a VCS, like my top 10 favorite scents. So that's pretty much what I got through, which is not bad, I guess, for half a year. But some people get through this in like a month. So yeah, I'm not doing so hot. But whatever. But I think maybe at some point I'll do like a VCS, like my favorite VCS scents, just so I can compare. I think I might have done this a couple years ago, and I think I did it for like Super Tarts as well, just so I can like always focus on like what my favorite scents are, things that I'll warm over and over again. Yeah, I want to keep myself more, like if I'm going to place an order, I want to make sure that I'm getting things that I know that like I'm just constantly going to be rewarming like year after year, you know? I don't really want to try a bunch of new scents, honestly, because half the time they don't end up becoming favorites. Do you guys know what I mean? So, all right, that's the end. I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully, I think I'm going to do Rose Girls next. I'm going to do Scoopable Tart Wax and Rose Girls together because, yeah, even though STW is closing, I think Jenny is gonna start making them now. So I don't know, I haven't been following the wax news at all, but I think she is. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye.